And I was very happy to see the whole process from the very first steps to the very last steps. I was very surprised that it is established for so many years like this in Egypt, and it's very well established and advanced. I imagined that for someone to pursue the biotechnology field, they should travel abroad. When I saw that it is so well established and have a bright future, I reconsidered it.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Minapharm's podcast. Today we'll be hosting one of the interns who joined Minapharm's internship program, and we'll be talking more about their experience and their thoughts. Today we have Maria. Hello Maria.
Hello Marley.
How are you?
Fine.
Tell me more about yourself and your background.
First, I'm Maria Hani, 23-year-old, and I just finished my 5 years of studying pharmacy and waiting for the 6th year.
How did you apply, or how did you know about the internship?
I found the post of the internship, an announcement on Minapharm LinkedIn page.
Yeah.
I just applied and I got accepted.
Back to high school. Were you interested in science, or why did you choose the pharma industry?
I love to study biology, chemistry, physics, and I found that pharmacy incorporates all these sciences together.
So from your point of view and your discussion with your colleagues and friends, what do you find the most challenging in this industry according to your generation?
From my point of view, I see that there are so many pharmacy graduates nowadays. So there is a high level of challenge and competition. So we need to enrich ourselves with more internships during the academic years, during summer vacations, and discover many fields and discover more about the fields. And I think that postgraduate studies nowadays are very important.
You mean masters?
Yes,
okay.
Masters, diplomas.
You're planning to take masters?
Not just after graduation. I think when I start a certain field and I know what the field that I will definitely continue, I will choose the best postgraduate studies that I can make.
Okay. Going back to what you said, it's essential to have an internship to be able to enrich your knowledge in the industry. Tell me more about your experience in the internship program. What was your role? What was your responsibilities?
First week, I saw the QC, the Quality Control Department, with its so different and diverse equipments and tests done. It was really interesting and very similar to what we do at the university labs.
Okay.
The second week, we saw the solid department, like tablets. We saw the semi-solid, the sterile areas for the production of injections.
Yeah.
And all these. We saw the warehouse, the dispensing, how they dispense, how raw materials are stored, and these.
What was the most interesting part for you?
The most interesting part, I think, I loved the idea of the sterile area. Why? Because it has so many precautions and that we need to take. It was really interesting for me. Second 2 weeks, we went to Magenta, the biotechnology lab.
Yeah. Before you continue the story of the biotechnology training, what was your knowledge about the biotech term before your university? Did you know anything about biotech?
Before university, no. However, when I was applying for the faculty of pharmacy at the GUC, it is called pharmacy and biotechnology.
Okay.
So when I saw this word, I didn't know. However, our faculty was very keen to give us solid knowledge.
Okay, so did you find the biotechnology industry interesting?
I really found it interesting, and I was very happy to see the whole process from the very first steps to the very last steps, like how proteins are produced, downstream steps, upstream steps, and purification, how it's purified to be able to be put in a formulation and packaged and ready for the market.
Yeah, many of the students or even the people working in this industry didn't even know that the biotechnology industry is existing and is well established in Egypt.
Yes, I agree.
I think by now you knew that it started in Egypt 25 years ago, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Frankly, I imagined that for someone to pursue the biotechnology field, they should travel abroad.
Yeah.
However, I was very surprised that it is established for so many years like this in Egypt, and it's very well established and advanced and developed, and has a very, very good potential to grow and prosper.
Okay, so working with mentors and experts in different ages and with different expertise, did you find it challenging to accommodate to a different culture, knowing that you are still in a university and you came here for the internship? Tell me more about your experience with the different culture and the different expertise you met here.
Honestly, the culture here at Minapharm was very comfortable to me. Mentors, leaders, doctors were very welcoming. They heard all our questions. They answered all. They were very patient. I was really comfortable here.
Okay, and did this internship change your perception about the industry?
Of course, especially in the biotechnology field. I didn't imagine that I would that I can pursue my career in this field. When I saw that it is so well established and have a bright future, I reconsidered it.
Did you face any challenges regarding the work life?
Surely that work life is very hectic. However, I think work life is very beneficial as it reshapes your personality on a personal level and on a scientific level.
Okay. I have one last question for you. If you would like to give us an idea on how to expand further this experience for future interns, what would you like to add to this program?
I think we can add an online internship parallel to the physical one. So it can consist of sessions about different departments, what they do, what are the roles.
You already took sessions about different departments, right?
Yes.
How was it?
It was really interesting and enriching, eye-opener, really.
Is there anything else you would like to share about your experience?
I'm very thankful for this opportunity and thank you for your time.
Thank you, Maria. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you.
Thank you.